Offline mode is a powerful tool which allows you to work on the 3D Experience platform for up to 30 days without being connected to the internet. Working offline allows you to create new content and modify existing documents, while your assigned licenses from the 3D Experience platform are cached locally, which means your assigned roles are only accessible from your offline computer. We advise you to lock any documents and data that you wish to work on before going offline. This will prevent any modifications by other team members while you're working on documents offline. When you switch to offline mode, you'll be reminded that you will have up to 30 days to work offline, after which you'll be automatically reconnected. To access your installed apps whilst offline, be sure to enter offline mode from each of your required 3D Experience native apps. Whilst working offline, you are able to make changes to designs, but these changes will not be saved to the shared 3D Experience app until you go back online and save your files. Instead, these changes will be stored locally in a folder on your computer. Documents with offline modifications are highlighted in the Feature Manager tree with a Save icon. When you reconnect to the 3D Experience platform, save any changes you have made by clicking Save to 3D Experience. Update revisions and enter any comments before pressing Save to update the files within the 3D Experience platform. You can now unlock the files after saving if you wish, to allow your team to make any changes themselves.